Together with teachers and external organisations, we've created the online portal Tirlun to support teachers with outdoor learning. There are a range of activities across many different topics, so these resources can be used by any school in Wales, whether it be in your school grounds or your local area or green space.
We've used the Tirlun website absolutely loads in class through our programme of learning this term. Our project title is Wales Landscape, so we've used the website as a basis for a lot of our planning, taking it from the screen into the books, and then we'll be taking it out into the open when we go on our trip to St David's. We're looking at the impact of tourism, which came from an idea from the website, and then creating a poster that the children have all contributed to, saying what tourists should do to be responsible. We were looking at the resources on Joseph Herman and Kyffin Williams, so different ways that you can do landscapes, and comparing the two artists and evaluating their work, looking at background, foreground, shade and tone. And today they're just doing that by using a different medium, so they're looking at layering collage to create their landscape. We've made sketchbooks so that they can go out into the wild and do some sketches that they can come back and take artwork from. But yeah, it's been a really reliable resource. We keep on going back to it as a basis for our planning.
Mae addysg awyr agored wedi cael ei blethu I mewn un Cwricwlwm ni. Mae o'n dod ar 4 diben yn fyw mewn ysgolion, a mae'r adnodd Tirlun yn ychwanegiad arbennig o dda.
We use the Tirlun website to find out about all the different places around Wales and why they're important to certain people. I've learned that going from Milford to St David's, that there's loads of different human and physical features around the places.
In class we've been talking about how to use the Tirlun app, and when we come here today I feel like it's really helped us understand.
Yma'n ysgol Llanllechid, mae'n plant ni wrth I bod gydag addysg awyr agored. Maen nhw'n dechrau ar eu tasgau weithgareddau yn y dosbarth, maen nhw wrthi efo'u Chromebooks ac yn y blaen, a maen nhw'n edrych ar eu mapiau, a wedyn maen nhw'n cael mynd allan a mynd ar hyd y llwybrau lleol. Maen nhw'n mynd I fyny dalcen y deyrnas ac yn dod I nabod am eu cynefin yn arbennig o dda. A pnawn maen nhw wedi bod yn cyfeiriannu ac yn chwilio am wrachod lludw. Maen nhw'n dysgu hefyd am bethau fel bioamrywiaeth, sut mae natur o'i cwmpas nhw'n dylanwadu ar eu byd beunyddiol nhw.
We're very lucky to have the Pembrokeshire Coast National Park on our doorstep, but the website means that actually all landscapes are accessible to everybody, no matter where you are. And some of the children don't travel outside of our little town, you know, and it's a really nice experience to be able to just be able to notice the features in your local area as well, inspired by the website. So they've certainly been out on the field even, looking at human features of our landscape and the physical features. Yeah, you absolutely don't have to live here to be able to enjoy it.
Mae Tirlun.Cymru, mae'n adnodd arbennig. Mae o'n y Gymraeg, mae o'na ar blat I ni gyd yn yr ysgolion cynradd, yn pontio i'r ysgolion uwchradd. Mae o ar gyfer pob ysgol, ac os ydych chi'n trio meddwl a crafu pen am wahanol fath o weithgareddau I wneud efo'r plant, wel, cliciwch ar Tirlun.Cymru. Mae yna gyfoeth yno yn stor I chi.